Alright, welcome to this tutorial. This is an introduction to the Pixelab app you can use to create your designs, your flyer, and create content for your business, or for your clients. We'll be looking at this app and we'll be starting with the icons on the toolbars, the top part of this interface. So we'll be starting with the plus button. When you click the plus button, you're going to have options to insert dates, text, stickers, shapes, images from your gallery and draw. Now, you may not use stickers a lot of times or current dates, but then you can just check and see how this works. Okay, so you can bring in images and all that from your phone. All right. Next, you can as well draw if you intend to make a drawing. Right, you can draw. Okay, so let me delete some of this stuff. Okay, so the next icon is to save. You have two options. You can save your work as a project or as an image. So when you save as a project, that means you can come back and continue that work. You can design it. You can continue working on that project later on. All right, and it is advisable to always save your work as a project, even though when you are done with it, you can now save as image, something you can now export and publish. Okay, so always take note of that. Then you have the share icon, and that's you still downloading what you are doing to your device. Then you have quotes here, just in case you want to practice how to use quotes in your design, quote designs, or just random text. You can use a few things, right, as filler text. Just at the right corner over there, it gives you additional options, so you can use image from gallery, use image from camera and all of that. Now the difference between this use image from gallery is that when you pick an image from this particular place, you'll be able to turn that image into a background. You'll be able to use that image directly as a background. It's different from when you come here to import an image. All right, next we have below it the layer icon, and on the layer icon you'll be able to see everything that is on your canvas that you're working with. Let me see. All right, so if you go to your layer icon, you will see it. Everything you're working with is on your layer icon. Sorry, your layer panel. Okay, then you have the grid line. So this grid line will serve as a guide for you when you're creating your design, so you know exactly how to align your text. You can move them around. To ensure that what you are doing is well aligned. All right, so that's the function of grid line. Then this is your zoom, so with it you can zoom and see what you are creating and all of that. Okay, so then whatever you are doing in your work, you can undo from this button over here. You can do your actions. Okay, then next we have delete button, with which you can delete. All right, and that is all. So let me explore this part a bit more. So on this part, you can also use image from camera. When you click on use image from camera, any image you take will appear right here on your canvas, so you can go right away and start using that image. So you can use an image from your gallery already, or you can take picture while using this app to import an image that you want. Next, you have the export image. It's the same thing as clicking on this icon over here to save your image, what you are designing. Okay, then we have image size. This image size is very important. So when you are creating a design, you want to use a square shape for Instagram, although you have 4x5. 4x5, I mean something like this, right? You can decide to use something like this for your Instagram design. But generally for social media designs, we use square dimension. So by square dimension, I mean you can decide to use 1x1. All right, you're going to have something like this, or as you please. You can as well go there and fill 3000 by 3000 pixels. It's still the same 1x1. Okay, so that's how it works. In the next video, we'll look at the other icons below the app and see how they work.